What's up, guys, man? Next morning here, we got the black bike in the back. We got our fairing here. It came bright and early for us, and it's a beautiful blue sunny day, man. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right on it, man. I'm about to pull this bike up, pull that fairing off, and get this one on there. But first, let's check this one out real quick. It is pretty glossed up. I can dig it. Looking really good. Already got the pre-drilled hose. Shouldn't be that hard. It's literally only 4 bolts, so should be pretty simple to attach. So hopefully we don't run into no more problems while we taking it off, man. But let's get it going. Just like that, y'all, we got the old outer fairing off. This thing is whooped. Probably could use some of these little trim pieces right here, but I think those are glued in and whatnot. But got our new one we're about to throw on. Everything is there already, ready to go, fresh black. Now, I want to show you guys something real quick. Now, you guys see the other headlight over there. Actually got hit up by this company, this headlight company, I guess. And they wanted me to test out their lights. So we might just try that out with this headlight here that they sent us. It looks like it's going to be plug and play. All of their information is in the link below. We have that headlight along with like some fog lights and stuff here. Like the little passing lights and stuff like that. So possibly could use those. Let's see how different they are from the original ones real quick though. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these are pretty much going to be the same exact headlight. Same exact headlight here. This is the one that came off, and this is the new one. Literally exact same thing, everything. Those are the passing lights that they sent in, and we can see right here, those are the exact same passing lights. So all in all, no need to put that new one in when we got a fresh working one. We can save that one for when we don't have a working light. So I'll hang on to this, put this back in the package, but you guys can check out the link below, because you guys see when this thing is lit up, it is super, super bright. It is the same exact headlight that I took off of here, so you guys already know how that works. Make sure you click the link down below to support your boys, man. Good looking out. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could. So we can get a better look at the inner fairing. Seems like this inner fairing is going to be good to go. As for these passing lights, looks like, oh, that's just a bracket that's bent. So would probably have to get a new bracket, but I think I'm going to pass on these. I kind of want to just take these off real quick, get this thing cleaned up, and get it ready for those side lights that we have on the street glide there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these ones are too bulky and they're not gonna work. So we're gonna snatch these off right before we put this fairing back together, man. So we got this thing pretty mocked up right now. However, I missed a couple pieces, literally a couple pieces. These go into the fairing, so they'll be able to reach the other side, because without this piece right here, the screw won't be able to reach. So I got to take off the 2 little bottom screws and take the fairing back off, pop these in there, and we should be good to go. then I also noticed on the OEM one, it had holes right here by the lights for the light to screw in. Now on this one, no holes are there, but we can probably pre-drill it with a screwdriver or something just to get those holes in that thing. But I could probably wait until this thing is back on to do that. Just like that, guys, we got the outer fairing on. Now the inside bolt of this one was broke, but it's like a little piece you can get to replace that. No big deal. It's on there pretty firm. It's not going anywhere. Our next task is to get these holes ready for this light so we can get this light all mounted up and get it complete. We did take off the passing light, so it does look a little bit better now, man. So let's keep it going and get this thing finished up real quick. And just like that, got this thing all switched out. Is looking pretty good again, all complete. Like I said, I need to get those side mirrors, I mean not side mirrors, but side turn signals for that thing, just to make it more street glide-ish. But it is looking freaking dope, man. I want to go really take this thing on a test now that we got this thing all buckled up and all that, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess up and clean it off a little bit, and then we'll pick up from there and see where we at. Alrighty, we got this place clean back up. Now we can reset and restart. Start from the top, man. Gotta get this fairing and everything just wiped down the front end a little bit better, because we did take off the little fog lights and stuff. Well, passing lights rather. And then we was putting this on, so we got some marks and stuff. I just want to wipe it down before I take it on this ride real quick, man. All right, man, y'all know we had to pull him out. Had to check him all out in the sun. Ooh-wee. That thing is looking good. I'm digging it, man. That's crazy. We scored this, and freaking this thing is looking this good, and we haven't even really touched it like that. Just threw our little taste on there. Now, my boy who got the gray bike at Dre's shop right now, he's got a 21 spoke that came off of his bike. Now, if I can get that and throw that on here, I'm sure he'll just give it to me. It'll make it look that much better, and we'll just end up getting a wraparound. That'll be freaking fly. That's at least what I'm thinking about. So we'll have to see, man. I'm excited right now, but I think I'm gonna actually go on a ride. Y'all see how clean this thing is, dog? I told some people to bring me like a few bands to come get it before I touched it. They missed out. They missed out. But I'm ready to hop on this thing, man. Let's do it. just didn't even bring my gloves. It's freaking cold. Let's see. Peg down here keep getting stuck on the shifter, so I'm gonna take these road pegs off, so I can't even shift it how I want to. This bike was set up for a short person. I know y'all hear burning rubber back there. Definitely not stock, that's for sure. Pipe sounds good. Just made it back to the crib, man. That was a fun little ride, man. This thing feels really, really good. It was just really cold. I didn't even bring my gloves or prepare for the ride or nothing. I just wanted to swing around the block really quick. But man, this thing cleaned up really nice. It's running really nice and really good. Feels like it has something done to the motor because it's definitely not stock. Pulls a little bit harder than the other stock bikes I've had. But all in all, seems like this one is one for the books, man. I don't want to do too much for it. Got to get those little side turn signals right there. But this one, these type of bikes really, you know, are the best profit because you don't have to do much to them. So this one is probably about to get parked. But all in all, pretty good looking ride, and it was a great feeling ride. I really like this bike, man. Can't wait to ride it around the canyon or something. But yeah, man, I need to warm up a little bit, but that's that, man. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, big dog. We got this fairing on, looking real good and everything, dog. I'm digging it. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the fairing on the black bike, man. Got that thing looking good and running good, man. I can't wait to freaking see if we are able to get that 21-inch. If we are able to get that 21-inch wheel from the homie, we're gonna go ahead and cop that wraparound and have this thing looking that much better, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.